So when I run JPS, you can see name node and secondary name node are running, but my data node is not running. So I have to sort out this problem. So for this, I go and Google it out, like data node is not running. It's because of like the temporary files which is we have created already, so we have to remove that. So I have to stop all my Hadoop services. Actually it's has-been. So once it is started, I have to clear the temporary files which has been created now. So you can see all these are created, so I want to remove this. So once that is done, my data node starts working. So from so here you can see it says like no data node to stop. So that tells you like your data node is not running. As we have seen here, no data node is running. So we didn't stop the yarn as we didn't start the yarn as well, so it's trying to so now you can see like service is running. So now I want to delete all these files, so I'm just going to, so it's nothing but rm remove -rf. Rf is for recursive deletion of files. So under home I have hd user. My hd user have hdfs folder, so I want to remove all this. So now if I'm going to see the files present in my HDFS, it has to be empty. So I can see that my HDFS folder is not there. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to create my HDFS folder nkdir /HDFS. So now if I go and see, you can see my HDFS folder now included here. So I'm to apply the privilege of chmod of 560 to my FS folder. So now I want to restart my Hadoop. So start DFS. So now you can see all my nodes are running: my name node, my secondary name node, and my data node as well. So now I'm going to start my yarn, which is going to hold my node manager and my resource manager, which is the replacement of job tracker and task tracker. So now if I'm going to give JPS, so I'll have my 5 important services running. First is my name node, my data node, my secondary name node, which comes under my DFS, my node manager, and my resource manager, which is present in my yarn. So to check whether my Hadoop runs successfully, I'm going to execute few basic Hadoop commands. So like I'm going to use htfs bin. So I'm going to create a directory, sorry it's DFS. I'm going to create a directory in my htfs mkdir, followed by I'm going to create a directory called user. So you can see my command is getting executed. So to know whether my file is created or not, I'm going to use a command called ls. So my command is getting executed. So you can see the folder called user is successfully created in my Hadoop environment. So you can also see that by getting into the local host